Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Tuesday, May 13, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hey Alex, coffee number 2 already? You're fast today?
Hi, David. Yes, I need it. 2 meetings this morning. You?
Oh man, my inbox is a mess. I need this coffee to survive. How's your day?
Busy, but okay. I'm planning a new project. Lots of emails, too.
Same here. Clients never stop. Hey, did you see the news? Big stuff happening?
Not yet. What's up? Something good?
Yeah, no bad news for once. China and the US are talking trade. They want a new system to work together.
Really? That's interesting. Trade is important for our company. What do they say?
It's like a big meeting plan. They'll talk about business and money. My clients might like this. Stable trade means more deals for me.
True. When trade is good, projects run smoothly. No delays with supplies. Do you think it'll help prices?
I hope so. My clients always complain about costs. If prices go down, they'll buy more. Easy sales for me?
Maybe. But global trade is tricky. Big countries like the US and China need to agree. It's a long process. What do you think?
You're right. They talk a lot, but action takes time. Still, it's good news. No drama for once.
Yes, drama makes planning hard. Stable trade helps my timelines. I like that.
Totally. Hey, speaking of big plans, you hear about that bank and Google? They're teaming up.
Oh, the UniCredit thing. I read about it. They're using Google Cloud to go digital. It's a huge deal.
Whoa, Google Cloud. That's fancy. What's it mean for us normal people?
Well, they're moving their work online. It's faster. They'll use AI to help customers. It's like our project software, but bigger.
Nice. So like super smart computers doing bank stuff? Maybe they'll make an app for my sales reports.
Maybe. It's about efficiency. My team uses cloud tools to share files. This is similar, but for a whole bank.
Cool. But I bet it's not perfect. Tech always has bugs. Remember when our system crashed last month?
Oh yes, that was a nightmare. 2 hours to fix it. But cloud tech is getting better. It saves time.
Time is money, right? If it helps me finish reports faster, I'm in. But I still check everything. Computers aren't that smart.
Good point. Tech helps, but people make the real decisions. I always review my team's work. No mistakes.
Yeah, we're still the bosses. Hey, you know what's weird? New Zealand's spending big money on math, like for schools.
Math? That's random. Why math? What's the story?
They're giving $100 million to teach kids better math. I saw it online. Crazy, right? I was terrible at math in school.
Wow, that's a lot of money. Math is important, though. It helps kids think clearly. Good for future jobs.
Sure, but $100 million? That's a lot of calculators. I'd rather they teach kids how to sell. That's real money.
Huh, you would say that. But math builds skills, like planning projects. My job needs logic. Kids need that too.
Okay, fair. But I still hate numbers. Give me a client meeting any day. Way more fun.
Fun for you, maybe? I like numbers. They make sense. This New Zealand idea is smart. Education changes things.
Yeah, I guess. If kids learn math, maybe they'll be better at budgets. My clients need that. They spend too much.
True. Good education helps everyone. Companies need smart workers. This could be big in 10 years.
10 years. I'm thinking about next week's sales. But yeah, it's cool. Kids deserve a good start.
They do. It's nice to hear positive news. No problems, just solutions. Makes me hopeful.
Same. I'm tired of bad headlines. This stuff gives me energy, like this coffee.
Speaking of coffee, I need a refill. My next meeting is in 10 minutes.
Oh man, I've got calls all afternoon. Back to the grind, right?
Yes, but this chat was nice. Keeps me awake.
Ha! Glad I'm useful. Same time tomorrow. More coffee, more news.
Deal. See you, David.
Catch you later, Alex.
Time to get to work. Practice your English every day and you'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. I hope you have a great day.